Saima is very, very special to her, and you have been asking about her ever since we began this live streaming. We have for you Trisha Krishnan! Woohoo! Hi Trisha, how are you?
Very well, thank
I
you.
must tell you, ever since we started this live streaming on Facebook, I think every comment has been, where is Trisha? When is she coming? When is she coming? So I
Really?
think if you just say a big hi to your fans.
Big shout out and hello to all my fans out there. Hi.
And you're looking gorgeous as
Thank
ever.
you.
I don't know how you manage to do it each time. I'm telling you, if Trisha walks the red carpet, she is going to be the best dressed. There is no competition. How did you manage to do that today as well? Tell us about your
I
outfit.
have to thank my stylist Nirja for that. I have to thank my designer. I'm wearing a Varun Bell. I love his design. So I guess it's just teamwork again. You know, we kind of come up with something that works for the red carpet every time.
And we love you always
Oh,
because
thank
I must
you.
tell you, you've been associated with Saima before as
Yes,
well.
yes.
But this year, it's very special for you and it's very special for all the Trisha fans because the nomination is something that we would not have
Absolutely.
expected from you
Absolutely,
before.
absolutely.
Only this year, Best Actor in a Negative Role and
Absolutely.
Trisha's name under the nomination. I am literally getting goosebumps
I feel
now.
like a debutante, like it's happening for the first time. And never in these many years did I ever think I'll get nominated for this. Because, you know, it's so, I'm just so glad that Kori helped me break a stereotype and it's paying off today. So thank you, Saima, for the nomination.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
And when you say best actor in a negative role or in a positive role or anything, if Trisha is there, we want her to win and we're going to be constantly praying for
Pray
her to
for me,
win,
yeah.
keeping our fingers crossed. But we have a lot of comments here. We have Shamin who says, hi Trisha.
Hi,
We
Shamin.
we have Maria who says, you look like gold.
Oh, how sweet.
We have Bhaskar who says, you're very, very gorgeous.
Thank you,
We have
Bhaskar.
Kritika. If you can just say hi to Maria.
Hi, Maria. Hi, Kritika.
If you say hi to Ram, they've
Hi,
all
Ram.
been waiting for you
How
because we've been
sweet.
here for so
Oh,
long.
thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a
and
lot.
definitely we must speak to you because you're someone who is always very responsible to her fans. You
Yeah.
make sure that you're always connected to them.
I like being connected to them. Yeah,
Yeah.
I do. And I owe everything to them because I've realized today, I don't think I even realized this initially, but today after these many years, I realized that they have to love you for you to sustain. So besides, of course, the films you do and the roles you do, their love has been so consistent. And you get to realize that only after these a lot of years in the industry. So they're like everything.
You know, so many times you've been nominated for Best Actress in so many languages, and many a times you've won those awards. But today, as a Trisha fan, when I think about it, that she's been nominated for Best Actor in a Negative Role, I can't help it but look back and think about how you were a model, you were Miss
know.
Chennai, and then
Yeah.
you became an actress. So when you look back memory lane,
Yeah.
what are the few moments that come back to you?
Oh, the journey is something I can't honestly even describe in like a statement. It's something that if you ask me if I could do it all over again, I wouldn't even know because it's so different, which is one of the reasons why I love my job. I never get bored and I don't feel like I've been here for this long because like I told you, I feel like a debutante today. So every day feels so different.
And if you can pick a couple of movies that you would say would really like got you closer to your fans or brought
Yeah.
gave you more confidence as an actor, what would they be?
I think in Tamil it would be Vinnai Thandi Varuvaya, then it would be Abhiyum Nanum, Kodi definitely, then Yenne Arindal, and in Telugu tons of them like a Varsham, Nu Vastanante, Nenodantana, then there's an Adavari Matluku, and so many films. I mean, but these I just feel, it's even after like years of doing this film, it being released, I go out, they still remember the character name, they still call me by that. It's so sweet. It's really
Definitely,
sweet.
and we have a lot of fans who are just saying,
Wow.
"Welcome to UAE, Trisha. You
I'm
are super. Unga costume
so
da
sweet.
sema."
How sweet. I'm
I
so
think
excited to be here.
If you can just say something to them
Romba
in
Romba
Tamil.
Nandri. It's so sweet of you all. Ivlo support pandradhukku, ivlo comments post pandradhukku. Thank you so much. I'm more excited than you all to be in Abu Dhabi.
But definitely being an actress, it's not just about the glitz and glamour. It's not just about looking good all the time.
Absolutely.
So what do you think are the pressure points of being an actress?
Oh, it's tough. I think the glitz and glamour is just about 10% of it. It's very, very hard work and you need to be cut out for it. Very, very hard work. I mean, sometimes you're starting your day at 4 in the morning and sometimes you're sleeping at 4 in the morning because you just finished a night shoot. So it's crazy, but it's fun. But yes, you got to gear up for a lot of hard work.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
because these days, if there's anyone who wants to become an actress, be it in Telugu or be it in Tamil, they always look up to you.
Aw,
Because
sweet.
you're someone who truly deserves the place that she is in right
Thank
now.
you
Because
so
you've always
much.
taken care of yourself, you've taken care
Thank
of your
you.
scripts, you've taken care of your fans. So if there's a
Thank you
word
so
of
much.
advice that you would like to give to
Thank
them.
you so much. But I wish I could actually, like an agenda to it, but no, I just go with the flow, take each day as it comes. But I believe in being professional, and I believe in really giving your work 100%. Sometimes it may fail, but you just give it your 100%.
Okay, if you can just quickly say a hi to
Okay.
Dineshwaran, if you can say hi to Bhavna. Bhavna wants you to say something in Telugu. So if you can say one of your dialogues, just say
Hi
something.
Bhavna, Antriki, namaskaram, and I'll stop with that. I'm not very good with languages, but thank you for texting me. And hi Dineshwaran, and
We
there's
have
so
Shantu,
many of you
we have
all.
Rakesh,
Hi
Manjunath.
Rakesh, hi Manjunath, hi all of you all. Please forgive me
Manjunath
if
is
I'm.
requesting you to kindly sing a song.
Oh no
and-
no, that's something I don't do ever. No. If I do it here, I'll be like really I'll face a lot of flack for not doing it back
No,
home.
I must say, as much as you take that responsibility towards being connected with your fans are doing the same for you.
I
Because
agree.
we have been going live since yesterday,
that's
and we've constantly been speaking to each actress, but we've never had so
Wow,
many comments
thank you,
flowing in.
guys. Woohoo.
So many hearts coming in
How
constantly.
sweet. 3 cheers to us. Then we're a team, and we always will be.
Absolutely. Trisha
Thank you.
is not just a name, it's not just an actress, it's a family.
Thank
and to be a
you.
part of that
Absolutely.
family, I'm extremely proud.
Oh,
we
thank
really
you.
hope
Thank
you
you
win
so
today.
much. Thank you. I'm feeling so floored. Thank you so
Anything
much.
that you would like to say
Just
to your
thank you
fans?
guys. I love you all, and everything. I owe everything to you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Trisha.
Thank you
Have
so
a
much.
wonderful
Thanks.
time. Thank you.